Welcome back to another project. In this video, we are going to be remodeling this guest bathroom for our client. As you guys can see, it is not in bad condition. However, it is old and outdated, so the client hired us to remodel their guest bathroom. This is a pretty large guest bathroom, a little bit larger than we usually do, but that is no problem for us. As you guys can see, they only have one sink at the moment, so we are going to be adding another sink on the left side, so that is going to be much more usable. I honestly don't know why they didn't end up installing two sinks when they were building this house. That is just what the developer did. But today we are going to be starting with a demo, so let's get started. Alright, so the demo is now complete. It only took us about a couple hours to complete this demo. It wasn't too difficult, and we are actually going to be keeping the same tub that is in there currently. The client wanted to save some money, so we are going to be keeping that, and it was in pretty good condition. It's a Kohler tub, so there's no point of really removing it. As for the cabinets, the client is actually going to keep the same cabinets, just paint them to a fresh color, which is going to save him about $1,000 because this is about 101 inches wide, so that would definitely be very expensive. He is just going to end up replacing the countertop, the sinks, and also the faucets. Now we are going to start working on the plumbing, so we are going to be removing this part of the drywall so that we can have some access to do the plumbing. We are going to be, of course, extending the drain pipe all the way to the next sink. Right now we are cutting out the holes for the drain pipe. And now we are soldering the new copper pipes for the cold and hot water. So this is how it all looks like. We have the drain pipe on the bottom and the vent pipe on the top. So now we will start working on the plumbing for the shower. We are going to have a handheld shower head as well, apart from just the regular shower head. So we are working on the plumbing for that at the moment. And also here's the valve to control the water, and also the shower head and the handheld shower head. So here we have the cement board already installed. We have everything ready for waterproofing, which we are going to do next. And also we are patching some of the holes on the walls after we removed the mirror. So here we have all the tiles already installed for the wall, and we also have the mosaic tiles installed for the niche. It turned out amazing like always, and this tile actually is pretty nice. The price was pretty good as well. These are 12 by 24 glossy finish, and they are gray with like a darker gray veins, which I think looks really nice, especially for the price that the client paid. And we did also install a light above the tub, which looks so much better. It just brightens the entire area up and also makes it look much more expensive. Now we are starting to work on the floor, so of course we have to lay the underlayment, which is what we did right now. And now it is time for the fun part, to install the tiles for the floor. As you guys can see, we are actually installing mosaic tiles for the floor, which is a little bit different than what we usually do. Usually people do like a 12 by 24, but this is what the client chose. And I think it actually looks really nice, especially once we finish. You guys will see it turned out amazing. And these tiles actually have like a glossy and matte finish. Some of the tiles are glossy, some of them are matte. And here is how it all looks like after we installed the grout. We actually installed a light gray grout, which looks very nice. All the tiles on the wall are very seamless, and the floor is very seamless as well. It's a perfect color, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So we actually just installed the cabinets. As you guys can see, the client painted them for a light gray color, and it just matches the entire bathroom. It looks really well. We did also paint the walls as well and install the baseboard, so everything is pretty much ready. We did have to install the cabinets right now so that the countertop guy can come and measure the new countertops, and they turned out really nice at the end, so definitely stay tuned to see the final results. We are almost done.
Perfect.
And that is going to wrap it up for this project. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what do you think of this project. I think it turned out amazing, and I really like what the client chose with the floor. Not many people do mosaic floor, but this one turned out amazing, and the color matches everything as well. But that is it for this project, and I will see you guys in the next one.